Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Discord server invite link. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar search for discord.com. Once you search for it, simply log into your account. Once logged in, simply at the very left hand side, you will see all of your servers. Click the server you want to invite people to, and at the very top, simply tap on this drop down beside your server name. Now tap on invite to channel. Now you can simply search for your friend and then tap on invite beside their name, or you have this link right over here. Copy it and share it to your friend. Now, if you would like to customize the invite link, at the very bottom, simply tap on edit invite link and you'll see few options like expire after, which lets you choose how long the link stays active. You can make it temporary or set it to never for permanent invite link. After that, you'll see max number of users. This decides how many people can join using this link. You can select no limit to allow unlimited joins. And after that, you will see grant temporary membership. If this is enabled, user will be removed after they disconnect. Leave this unchecked to make them full member. Once your settings are ready, simply tap on generate a new link. Now copy this link and then paste it anywhere like in a message or a social media or into a notepad to check the URL. That's it. You now have your own Discord server invite link ready for share. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.